Sometimes the smartest move isn't giving your cabinets a facelift. It's starting fresh with a full replacement. Replacing your kitchen cabinets is a big decision, and it's one of the most impactful changes you can make in a remodel. At JSB Home Solutions, we've been remodeling kitchens for decades, and today I'll walk you through what cabinet replacement really means, the steps involved in our process, and why some homeowners choose replacement over refacing. And as always, this info will help you no matter which contractor you choose to work with. Hit like and subscribe if you want to be notified of new videos. Cabinet replacement means removing your existing cabinets completely and starting fresh with new ones. Unlike refacing, which keeps your cabinet boxes, replacement lets you redesign your kitchen layout, add new storage, and update everything from the ground up. So how does the process actually work? Let me walk you through a typical timeline. Replacing kitchen cabinets usually takes at least 2.5 to 3 weeks, and bigger projects can stretch to 4 or 5. We'll use our process here at JSB as an example. Most companies will follow a similar general timeline, but there could be some differences. Step 1. Remove the old cabinets. Our crew carefully takes your old cabinets off the walls. You can choose to keep them or we'll haul them away. Step 2. Install the new cabinets. Once your base cabinets are set in place, the countertop company comes in to measure for your new countertops. Step 3. Measure and fabricate countertops. We almost always work with Columbus granite. They'll measure, fabricate, and cut your stone off-site. That process takes about 5 days. Step 4. Set up a temporary sink. While the stone is being cut, we'll put either your old counters or plywood on top of the new cabinets and hook up a temporary sink. This way, you still have a functioning kitchen. And here's a tip. Not every contractor does this. Many will leave you without a kitchen until the stone is ready. Step 5. Install the backsplash. Once the countertops are in, we install your backsplash so the two meet seamlessly. Step 6. Complete finishing items. Finally, our crew ties everything together: plumbing hookups, garbage disposal, faucets, trim, and any of the final details. And just like that, you've got a fully functional, fully updated kitchen with brand new cabinets. Now, let's talk about why some homeowners pick replacement over refacing. Replacement is the right choice if your cabinet boxes are damaged, if you want to completely change your kitchen layout, or if you just want to start over fresh. It costs a little bit more than refacing, on average up to 15% more. But it also gives you the most flexibility and the chance to pair your new cabinets with updated countertops, backsplash, flooring, and appliances. And of course, one of the best parts of replacement is the full customization. Since you're starting from scratch, you can design the kitchen that really fits your life. That means taller upper cabinets, bigger pantries, deeper drawers, built-in organizers, and specialty cabinets designed to maximize storage. When you replace, you're not limited by what you already had. You can build the kitchen you've always wanted. Cabinet replacement is the right choice if you're ready for a completely new kitchen, both in look and in layout. To help you compare contractors, we've created a remodeling company comparison guide with key questions to ask and space to track their answers. And if you're ready to get started, schedule a consultation with our team today. We'll help you decide whether refacing, replacing, or even a hybrid project is right for you. Your cabinets set the tone for your whole kitchen. Whether you reface or replace, making the smart choice now means years of enjoyment ahead. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big and remodel smart.